guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to make a shopping haul video and I have shopped up a lot of things here and I'm going to show you one by one and show the quality of the material and everything. Before I do that, do subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it and like my video with a good fat thumbs up. So moving on towards my shopping haul video. I shop from Max, I shop from Trends, from Westside and from Mochi also. So moving towards my first huge bag, you can say it's of Max. So first thing what comes out of my bag is a very pretty dress. This dress is of pink color and having a detailing of orange color and white color on it. So it is just like a kurti pattern, an anarkali kurti dress, and it is having some buttons detailing on it. You can see it here, and it is from Max. I got it only for 1400 or 1300, something like that. So it is a very pretty dress, and I can style it with a white leggings, with the orange leggings, or I can wear it as a dress also. So it is so freaking pretty and a beautiful dress. Moving on towards the next one. So I bought this scarf. This is a baby which I got from Max. It is only of 200 rupees and its quality and the material is so freaking good that we can see the quality, and it is having a transparent material, so we can wear it as a neck round or bow it here and it will look so pretty, and we can dress with a lot of things, with formals also, with casuals also, and we can dress up with a ethnic look also. So I will show it afterwards. So next is this black beautiful dress which I got from Max. It is only of 2500 rupees. The front is this. It is a black dress. You can see it. Yeah, it is a black dress and it is a sleeveless dress. It is a black gown like dress, sleeveless with a V-neck on it, and the back is very pretty. It is a backless dress having a neck. Its neck is having net on crosses something. The detailing is very good and it is having some studs on it. And the next thing, it is having this thing on this part, and it is looking so amazing. And this dress I got only for 2500 or 2400, something like that. And moving on to the last item from Max is this skirt. It is a very cool and cute cotton skirt I got in a navy blue color. Actually, I think you will be seeing it as a black, but it is a navy blue skirt which is made of cotton, and this material is having some detailing on it of cotton, and it is having embroidery work made on it, and it is freaking good, and it is having a chain like structure on its back. Actually, we can wear it at side also, and so that it can go fit for any of the size, and it is so good. I got it from the size XS and from Max. This is of the brand name Honey, and it is so good. So this bag is empty. So moving on to the next one. Oh my god, this is the Trends one. It is a huge bag and I have some stuff in this bag. So we will see one by one. First I got is this jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is having a boho look. It is extremely colorful and it looks so freaking good. We can match it or pair it with a t-shirt, which is a black t-shirt or a white t-shirt. It can go also with a colored t-shirt or a top of full sleeves top also. We can try crop top also inside this, and it is having a shorts like structure on it, which we can see it from the back, and its back is also so good. So it looks damn good. If we can pair it with sneakers also, it will look so elegant and so casual, and it will look so good. That's it. And I got this dress only for 600 rupees. is from the trends. Moving on towards the next. Actually, I got two workout pants. These are the two, and the material is so soft. You can't, means I can feel it. I can feel the quality of the material. It is so freaking good, and these are so beautiful. This is a black strip pant, and the pattern is something different. The one leg is short of this, and the other one is full, so it will look so freaking good that and it will give a perfect workout look to you. And this pant, I love them. I just love them. And this one is also so good. It is having some flag frames on it, and it is also looking so good on me, and it fits very well. You should also try this. And this I bought in S size. Both of them I bought in S size, and both of them I bought for 350 each. And moving on to the next. What is this? This next is, this is a black t-shirt which is having a v-neck on it, and it is so good. The quality is so good. It is a plain black t-shirt, and the plus point it has is it is having something shiny golden, something like that inside the t-shirt. We cannot see it in the video right now, but yes, it is shining in right now also. And I got it from the brand name FIG Fit, and I think, I don't remember the price. I will just see and check it out. And I got it only for $2.99. So it's actually a really good deal. And it is a very cute t-shirt. And actually it's my favorite from the whole haul, as it is so comfortable and so reliable. And I got in the size S for rupees 299. Moving on to this bag is empty. And moving on towards my next item. It is a gift from my best friend. It is a kurti from the brand named Globus, and she got it from me in the size S. And it is having a Gotapati work on this, and the statues, they are looking so good. And it is a cold shoulder top. It is having a beautiful cutout over here, and it looks so great on me. It is having some fitting problem, but then too I will alter it, and it will look so good on me. And this is a black color, and this white detailing is looking so good. It is so good. And it is also having a piping over here. This piping is looking so good, and it gives a very elegant look, and it is awesomely awesome. And thank you for the gift, to my bestie. And moving on to the next item. This is from Westside, and I got a pair of heels from Westside. It's a bill. It's a card of that. Loyalty card. I will just show you. I got a pair of heels from Westside, and these are those heels. You can see them. They are so freaking good, and they are in the quality, leather quality, and they are having some detailing over here, and the design is so pretty, and even the heel, it is so good. And especially this is a comfortable one. This is very comfortable one, and I like it so much. And this detailing which is on the back, that is golden stud, it looks awesomely awesome. It is awesomely awesome and amazing one. And this I got only for 1899 rupees, and the plus point in this heel is actually it is having 6 months of warranty period. And the monsoon is coming up, and we lose our heels, and that's why I got this with 6 months of warranty period, so that I can get the refund, or I can exchange it if I got some problem in it. So it is so freaking good, and I like it so much. And this is the best part of my complete haul. And the last thing is left now, that I got from Mochi. Actually, I like the bag. It is so cute, and the size of this bag is so freaking cute. And from Mochi, I got a belt. I got this belt only for 400 rupees. The leather quality is very nice. It is so good, and it's this what do you call it? I just don't know this steel part. It is very perfect, and means it looks simply elegant, and it can go with formal dress up very well. And yes, this is all about my shopping haul video, and thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel, comment below, and you like it or not. Please comment me so that I can improve it, or if you like it, please give a fat thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.